Ready, Alex? Let's do this.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Alex. Every great mixologist needs the right tools. So let's count down our top 10 must-haves for every aspiring bartender.
And I'm Mia. Tonight we're in our favorite spot, ready to talk bartending essentials. Get a good one, a really good one, and you're already halfway to cocktail heaven. The right shaker can make all the difference in creating that perfect drink. It's not just about mixing, it's about the experience.
It's the quarterback, the heart and soul of your bar team. It's the tool you'll reach for time and time again.
Boston, the workhorse. Cobbler, the classic Parisian, the elegant one. Find your favorite, the one that feels right in your hand, and get shaking. Experiment and see what works best for you.
Whether you're a thunderstruck shaker, all power and intensity, or a Shakira shaker, smooth and rhythmic, this is your MVP, your most valuable player. It's the tool that brings everything together.
And let's be honest, shaking is half the fun. It's a performance, a show. It's all about the rhythm and flair, the way you move, the way you present the drink.
First up, the cocktail shaker, the unsung hero of the bar, the rock star of the bar, the star of the show. It's the one piece of equipment you can't live without. It chills, aerates and blends, transforming simple ingredients, your drinks to absolute perfection. It's the key to unlocking incredible flavors.
Embrace the jigger and serve perfect drinks every time.
It's not a crutch, it's a pro's tool.
The jigger ensures every ingredient is in perfect harmony.
Eyeballing leads to disaster. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you.
Next, the jigger. It's all about precision and consistency. First, let's grab a bar spoon. This isn't just any spoon, it's a bartender's best friend for a reason. With a bar spoon in hand, you can master the art of the stir. It's a technique that separates the amateurs from the pros. The gentle swirling motion is key to creating perfectly chilled and diluted cocktails.
Practice your stir. It might seem simple, but mastering the technique takes time and dedication. Pay attention to the sound, the feel, and the visual vortex you create in the mixing glass. And with a refined stirring technique, you'll add a touch of class and sophistication to your bartending skills. It's all about the details, and a smooth stir speaks volumes.
Beyond stirring, it's also great for layering drinks. The back of the spoon allows you to gently pour liquids, creating beautiful and visually appealing cocktails. And let's not forget its utility for fishing out garnishes. No more struggling with your fingers. The bar spoon is the perfect tool for precise garnish placement and retrieval.
The spiral handle isn't just for looks, it serves a purpose. The twisted design helps you stir smoothly and efficiently, allowing the spoon to glide effortlessly through the ice and liquid.
Stirring keeps drinks silky and clear, no clanking allowed. Shaking can introduce tiny ice shards and cloudiness, but stirring ensures a pristine and elegant cocktail.
Tool number 3, the bar spoon. A staple in any serious bartender's arsenal. Elegant, long, and perfect. Its length allows you to reach the bottom of even the tallest mixing glasses with ease. It's the ideal tool for stirring spirit-forward cocktails, like a Manhattan or an old-fashioned, where dilution needs to be carefully controlled. Press and twist, don't obliterate.
A muddler connects your drink to the garden.
Wood or stainless steel, pick your favorite.
Mojitos, old fashions, caipirinhas. Muddling is key.
Gently press, don't pulverize. It's about releasing oils, not making a paste.
Tool 4, the muddler. Essential for extracting flavors from herbs and fruits.
When crafting cocktails, one of the most important steps, and one that's often overlooked, is the art of straining. Don't skip the strainer. It's a crucial part of the process that separates a good cocktail from a truly exceptional one. Trust us, your cocktails will thank you. A well-strained cocktail not only looks more appealing, but it also enhances the overall drinking experience. It's about achieving that perfect balance of flavors and textures.
To begin your straining journey, start with a Hawthorne strainer. This is a bartender's best friend, a true workhorse behind the bar. The Hawthorne strainer is incredibly versatile and absolutely essential for any home or professional bar setup. Its design allows for a controlled pour, keeping unwanted ice and larger solids out of your finished drink.
Now, if you're aiming for extra smooth drinks, the kind that glide effortlessly across your palate, consider taking it a step further and double strain with a fine mesh sieve. This technique will catch even the tiniest particles.
Double straining is the secret weapon for achieving that silky texture. It keeps ice shards, small fruit pieces, and unwanted pulp out of your drink, ensuring a pristine and enjoyable sip every time. Think of it as quality control at its finest. It's the final touch that elevates your cocktail from ordinary to extraordinary.
After shaking or stirring your cocktail ingredients with ice, you absolutely need a strainer. It's non-negotiable. For most cocktails, the Hawthorne strainer is your go-to tool. It's reliable, efficient, and a staple in any well-equipped bar.
Invest in a good one for classic stirred drinks.
It's a statement piece for your home bar.
Watching the ingredients swirl is part of the ritual.
It elevates the experience and keeps your drinks cold and clear.
The mixing glass. Heavy, sturdy, and perfect for spirit-forward cocktails. Do your hands and your cocktails a favor, get a juicer.
Fresh citrus transforms your drinks.
It traps seeds and pulp, giving you pure juice every time.
Squeezing by hand is messy and tiring. This tool makes it easy.
Next, the citrus juicer. Fresh juice is a must for great cocktails. Be the hero. Always have a bottle opener handy.
It's the multi-tool you never knew you needed.
A bar blade is fast, durable, and pro-approved.
You never want to be caught without one at a party.
The bottle opener, basic but crucial.
Hands off the ice. Your guests will appreciate it.
It's a small detail that makes a big difference.
Tongs give you control and keep things classy.
Hygiene is key. Never use your hands for ice.
Ice matters, and so does how you handle it. Use tongs or a scoop.
Turn your bottles into a real bar setup.
They make you look and feel like a pro.
Get good metal ones with an air hole for a steady stream.
No more glug-glug messes or wasted booze.
Pour spouts, essential for smooth, controlled pours. Cheers!
Stay curious, stay thirsty, and happy mixing.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Like and subscribe for more.
What's your must-have tool? Let us know in the comments.
Start with the basics, have fun, and you'll be mixing like a pro in no time.
That's our top 10 essential bartending tools.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment to motivate me to create more content.